Hello and welcome to a new video. I'm Frullata3D and today I'm gonna create a Christmas art toy. We're gonna go through the entire process from modeling to printing and painting, so let's get started. I've always loved Christmas, so I thought it would be cute to create a little reindeer character. After looking for some inspiration on Pinterest, I can start modeling in Blender. I'm starting with the head because for the body I'm gonna use the base that I made in my last video, so I'll join the two parts later. Here is our reindeer. Now let's give it some materials. We can't forget to give it a shiny red nose. And now the model is ready to be rendered. I'm now bringing it into Bambu Studio to add supports and slice it. Okay, with everything set up, let's start printing. Unfortunately, my first attempt was unsuccessful because the filament got stuck. But I found that my BambuLab A1 Mini is very easy to troubleshoot. So after making sure that everything works, I can restart my print. I actually took this opportunity to scale up the model. And this is how it turned out. Now it's time to paint. I thought the bigger model would help with the painting, but it still has some difficult spots. It turned out a bit messy, so next time I'm gonna try to print it in separate parts. I try to fix some spots with markers, and of course I add a little shine to the nose. Here's our non-perfect but still beautiful Christmas reindeer. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed the video and also if you have any tips for painting. With that, I'll see you in the next one.